Thank you very much, Professor Tom Okada. He's my brother and my neighborhood. I am from Ethiopia. I am from Ethiopia, from East Africa, from the great nation from Ethiopia. My name is Desta. I think my slide is seen on your slide.
Yes, we can see the slide.
Yes, thank you very much. Just I want to share you the overall status of science, technology, and innovation of the Ethiopia. Shortly, actually, my presentation includes content of my slide is STI history in Ethiopia, major achievement. What was our major achievement to link the science, technology, innovation of Ethiopia to the global science, technology, and innovation activities, or what we have the major challenges to do to share our achievement, and we have what opportunities we have trying to revise the STI policy, and there are the government direction which is given to the science, technology, and innovation. So the Ethiopian government supports strongly STI sector. The Ministry of Innovation and Technology is one of the basic ministry which mandates to lead, to coordinate and to manage the technology, research, and innovation matters at the national level. And we have almost 10 regions and two city administration, which are almost they are reporting, coordinating by behalf of the science, technology, and innovation activities. Currently, the Ethiopian STI policy is being revised. Almost the final, we have reached to the final stage to revise, mainly focusing on the job creation, wealth creation, and GDP contribution in at the national economy level. So Ethiopia is very aware for the importance of the program of STI sector, which should be related with the SDG program. STI roadmaps, the main focus is STI roadmaps, Digital Ethiopia, Science Museum, Research Support, Science Cafe, which the basically focus on the youth are almost focusing on the participation of science and innovation activities. In this line, the Ethiopia is working on the preparation of sectoral roadmaps in 20 sectors, which is actually at the national level, we have almost 20 sector STI roadmap, but we need to revise our STI roadmap with to link with that of the SDGI. The other issue is this sector is established or started almost 1980 or 1916, around 1916, which is named as the Science and Technology Commission. And around 1918, the Ethiopia is developed science and technology policies. Around 20 and 2010s, we established at the ministry level, Ministry of Science and Technology. Currently, we are in the Ministry of Innovation and Technology. So this ministry is focused on the resource, especially agriculture, to change the agricultural product to the by adoption. Technology transfer, mainly focusing on the capacity building issues. So we have policy, science, technology, and innovation policy, which has 11 critical policy issues, major 46 strategies, and around 27 policy goals. The major policy critical issues are, the first one is technology transfer. The second one is human science and technology, human resource development. Third one, research issues. Fourth one, finance incentive mechanisms. Fifth one, national quality infrastructure. Sixth, IP system. Seventh, national science technology information centers, environment, international relation, and university industry linkage. These are the 11 critical policy issues. what was the major achievement during 40 or 46 years? Almost we established the NEQI system. That means national standard, conformity assessment institutions, meteorologists and accreditation office. The NEQI system is established and during for 46 years. Again, also we have established around Ethiopian Biotechnology Institutes, Ethiopian Intellectual Property Office, Ethiopian Science and Technology, in Space Science and Technology Institutes, accreditation. Again, also we selected 2 basic universities which only works on the science and technology activities. Again, also Ethiopian Science Academy is one of the institutions which is established during last 46 years. So the key institutions and supportive structure, mainly focusing the Ethiopia is favorable for the agricultural activities. So agricultural research institutions are established overall the 10 regions and around the 2 city administrations. So this is almost 55 research centers are surrounded by the basic research institutions. Again, also National Agricultural Research Council is established. This National Council for the Agricultural Research is divided into 3 parts: Federal Research Institutes, which is focusing on the agricultural issues. Again, also Regional Research Institute, Agricultural Research Institute. Again, also we have the host level. At the host level, there are the agricultural research host institution, which these all are linked up with human resource, infrastructure, and different activities. Again, also we have established the industry research or manufacturing institutes, that is textile industry development institutes, mainly focusing on the technological adoption and technology transfer. Laser industry development institutes, metal industry development institutes, food, beverage, and pharmaceutical industry development institutes, chemical, construction, and industry development institutes, metal, dairy industry development institutes. There are also 2 basic institutes which is planned to establish in the near future: Industrial Development Capacity Building Institute and Industrial R&D and Technology Transfer Institute. They are under establishment. Again, also health research institutes, which is mainly working on the health areas. Again, also to link science, technology, and innovation activity to the industrialization, almost technology transfer and development issues done by establishing by the ICT village, which is mainly working on the ICT and the digitalization area. This village contains almost 4 areas. These are the business zone, commercial zone, assembly and warehouse zone, and knowledge creation zone are established and working basically on the digitalization of the overall the country. Again, also industrial parks, which sometimes we can developing linkly with the technology parks. These are and then at the overall country, depending on the specialization, we develop industry parks. They are around the capital city in Addis. Again, also Adama, which is 100 kilometers far from Addis Ababa. Dredwa, which is the eastern industry zone. In all these industry parks, we are linking or we are working on the technology park activities. Without developing technology parks, the industry park is nothing, because technology transfer and technology development issue should be linked with this issue. So again also the science, technology, and innovation governance system. We have at the national level, National Science, Technology, and Innovation Council, which is led by by Prime Minister. The council members are from Ministry of Agriculture, from Ministry of Industry, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Innovation and Technology, Secretary for this council. Again, also we have National Science and Technology Research Council, which is General Assembly. Sector-based research council is under National Science, Technology and Research Council. Again, also under this council, we have a technical committee, which is which evaluates the main or major cross-sectoral research titles and research activities. Again, also we have the National University Industry Linkage Forum. We have established almost 17 university industry linkage forum on agriculture sector, textile, leather, metal engineering, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, chemical. These are almost 17 national industry university linkage forum. Almost 120, around 125 sub-regional university industry linkage. Again, also transformative initiative. We are trying to establish or to develop STI roadmap framework toward Vision 2025 in Ethiopian calendar and beyond. These are almost 20 sector. We have developed 20 sectoral STI roadmap. But the major challenge here is this roadmap is not directly linked with that of the SDG roadmap. So the next at the pilot level, we will see this roadmap is linked to the STI roadmap. By the way, the all STI in Ethiopia, the STI activity is almost linked with that of the SDG program, Agenda 2063, and the Pan-African initiatives. African science and technology strategy issue is considered by in our all STI activities. So the STI and education sector are linked up with the TVET and universities. Almost we have 2 science and technology universities. Now currently we are divided the universities differentiate by research universities, general universities, and science and technology universities. Again, also we have National Science and Technology Awards.
Desta, you have 2 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. We have a Regional Science and Technology Institution, Talent School, Skill Science Cafe, Better Science. These all are the overall of science and technology. Just I want to share two minutes. National Science and Technology, and the major challenges are still we are from R&D perspective, we are still 0.25% of R&D expenditure. Again, the human resource distribution on the research area is very low, and the private sector is not engaged in research area. Again, also research and thematic areas still we are in low level. Technology development is still low. This is the major science and technology innovation system of the Ethiopia. We have 4 basic nomenclature of the science and technology issues. So the 2024 or 2021 National STI policy draft is basically focused on the job creation, wealth creation, and the GDP contribution of the country, which is linked with the African science and technology strategies and SDG science and technology roadmap. Thank you very much.
Question to the Ethiopian presentation, on the Ethiopian presentation from Caleb. The question is, how are STI institutions coordinated in Ethiopia? How do STI institutions and universities interact to tackle innovation dilemmas in Ethiopia? And I think it's something that I had also posed.
Yes, so, and if we can also add another 2 supplementary questions, and that is, I'm excited about the National University Linkage Forum, and there are 70 of them. Just wanted to know how they operate. and then that they have developed 20 technology roadmap, or rather technology roadmap in 20 sectors. And again, if we could just elaborate, picking on one sector, what the key components are, would be very, very useful. And then to the first speaker, that is Cornelia. Again, there are some African countries that might be interested in joining the pilot, and what would be required? How do they go about it to become part of the pilot, the STI roadmap for the SDG?
You know what? I wanted to even use a. Sorry.
Okay. Can I?
Just respond.
Okay.
As Wilmina is organizing herself here.
Thank you very much, Prof. I think my presentation is good, and you hear me correctly because you raise some questions. Thank you very much. The coordination is mainly given to the Ministry of Innovation and Technology. You know, the National Science and Technology Council is mainly focusing on the strategic issues, which is led by our Prime Minister. Prime Minister coordinates all ministries at the central level, and the technology, the innovation, and the research issue is applicable or worked on all sectors. As you know, science, technology, and innovation issue is cross-sectoral issue, which is not done on a specific sector. So the national at the behalf of National Science and Technology Council is coordinating the whole science and technology and innovation issues. The yearly research budget, which is financial issue, the technology transfer strategic areas, the digitalization of the sectors, digitalization of the overall issues is led by, or direction is given by the council, STI Council, Science and Technology Council. This council is led by Prime Minister. For this issue, or the Ministry of Innovation and Technology is the secretary of this Science, Technology and Innovation Council. Again, also there are one department which is working on the coordination of science and technology at the regional level. The regional activities, so the basic science and technology is derived from the national plan, from the national strategic issue and the national strategic plan. So the overall science and technology the coordination issue is managed by the one department which is established in the Ministry of Innovation and Technology.